inside this seemingly peaceful bird box, something terrifying unfolds. That's not a curious paw. It's a raccoon on the hunt. Raccoons are opportunistic eaters, meaning they'll devour almost anything they can catch, from fruits and insects to small birds and eggs. With their nimble hands and sharp instincts, they can turn a cozy birdhouse into a deadly trap. In the wild, survival doesn't always look pretty. If you want to see a video of another predator getting revenge on a raccoon for these birds, watch my next one. Like and follow for more wild moments.